How you going, guys? Welcome to Body and Function Under 3. So we've got a lot to talk about in the oxygen transportation within the body. Briefly only going to go over it just to sort of get a better understanding of what it is. So two laws we've got to keep in mind here is Dalton's and Henry's. Smart fellas. Dalton's law pretty much says that the total pressure of the atmosphere, which is 760 milligrams per minute, is equivalent to all of the gases combined to create that total gas. So we've got nitrogen, we've got oxygen, we've got carbon dioxide, we've got carbon monoxide, we've got even water vapor that we take in consideration there. And all of these partial pressures, or the pressures of these combined, equals the total pressure. So, you know, nitrogen's about 70, oxygen's about 21 or 20. Anyways, so that's total pressure. Henry's, we've got gas dissolved in liquid proportional to pp, which is partial pressure, and solubility, which pretty much means if your pressure is high, it wants to go to a lower place. It wants to go down here. It wants to go from a high concentration to a low concentration. Pretty straightforward, explained in previous videos. This is pretty much our breathing system here. So this is the alveoli. Alveoli are like grape-like sacs within the lungs. So we breathe in, the air, it goes all the way into these alveoli, small little grape section of it is here. So this is inside the alveoli. The O2 molecules, these little dots here, go through this cell membrane into the capillaries through simple diffusion using Henry's law. So what we can do here is these molecules all go into the capillaries, and about 98% of them are attached onto the red blood cells through a protein called hemoglobin. This hemoglobin turns the red blood cells actually red once it's saturated. Originally, they're blue. So then they carry on through the whole body and they carry the oxygen throughout the numerous parts of the body to the cells that require the oxygen. And this is where we come here. So 106 milligrams of mercury is the atmospheric pressure or the partial pressure of oxygen within the alveoli. Now, the capillaries currently are 100 milligrams of mercury. So, by Henry's law, the oxygen molecules actually want to simple diffuse through there. And then this is transferred to the heart, and the left side of the heart specifically, pumps it throughout the rest of the body. And at this point, after the heart, it's at about 45 milligrams of mercury. So it's, again, Henry's law wants to simple diffuse it into the cells of the whatever cell wants or needs or requires the oxygen molecules. Once coming back out of this through simple diffusion again, it's even lower. It's about 35. It goes to the right part of the heart, and this part of the heart pumps it out of again through the lungs and into the atmosphere. It's mainly carbon dioxide then, but that's pretty much what happens. So as you can see, it's quite an extensive thing, under 3 minutes. This is just to grasp a better idea of it, and I really hope you've understood it. Check the references and the front page attached to this file. Okay, see ya!